What's up everyone, I welcome you back to the channel, and my name is Perfect, and today we are going to do circle geometry. And in this topic we have to know about 22 theorems. If you want full notes about this topic, please check out the description and the top comment. So this question is saying, in the diagram ABCD is a circle quadrilateral. DC produced meets AB produced at E. Given that BC is equals to BE and angle ABC is equals to 84 and angle DAC is equals to 19, calculate BCE. So the best way to solve circle geometry is to treat it like a puzzle. So we have to fill in all the missing angles. So from this statement which is saying BC is equals to BE, BC is equals to BE, which makes this small triangle an isosceles triangle. So which means this angle and that angle, they're equal. So here we have 84. So to get this angle, we say 180 minus 84. Say 180 degrees minus 84 degrees, 180 minus 84, here which is 6, here is 9, so 18 minus 9 is 9, so it's 96, which means this angle is 96. So to get these two angles, because they're equal, we say 180 minus 96 divided by 2. So 180 minus 96 is 84. So we say 84 divided by 2. 2 into 8 is 4, and 2 into 4 is 2. So angle C and angle E, they are 42 degrees. 42 degrees. So our answer here, BCE is 42 degrees. And the second question is ADC. So this angle. Calculating this angle. So to find that angle, there's a theorem that says opposite angles of a circle quadrilateral, they adds up to 180. So this angle, this angle is opposite to this angle. So if we add 84 and this angle, we have to get 180. So we say 180 minus 84. Say 180, let me write here, 180 degrees minus 84. Is 6 and this 8 becomes 9, which is 96. So that angle D is 96 degrees. And the final question, CAB, so this angle. Find this angle, we can use this bigger triangle which is ADE. So because here we have 42 and here we have 96 and here we have 19, so we add 96 plus 42 plus 19 plus x, which is this angle, is equals to 180. We have to, if we add 96 plus 42 plus this angle, we have to get 180. So let us say this angle is x. So we say 96 degrees plus 42 degrees plus 19 plus x is equals to 180. So we say 96 plus 42 plus 19 is 6 plus 2, which is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17, get 1. And 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15. It's 157. So we say 157 plus x is equals to 180. So say x is equals to 180 minus 157 is 6 here. Here's 2 and here's 23. So this angle here is 23 degrees. So this is our answer here. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment in the comment section the topics you want me to do for you. See you in the next one.